Today we will do subtraction sums. Children, please open page number 113 of your maths classwork book. Subtraction with head and fingers. Here we have two numbers. One is smaller and one is bigger. We always keep the smaller number in our head and count till bigger number. So we'll keep 1 in our head and count till 6. 1 in our head after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Now here we don't have any smaller or bigger number. Both the numbers are same. If both the numbers are same, then the answer will be 0. Here we have 1 as smaller number and 5 as bigger number. So we'll keep 1 in our head and count till 5. So 1 in our head after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. Here the smaller number is 6 and we have to count till 7. So we'll keep 6 in our head. After 6, 7. How many fingers are there? Only one finger. So the answer is 1. Here the smaller number is 7 and we have to count till 8. So 7 in our head. After 7, 8. How many fingers are there? Only one finger. So the answer is 1. Here the smaller number is 2. So we have to keep 2 in our head. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 fingers. So the answer is 7. Now next sum. Here the smaller number is 0. So we'll keep 0 in our head. After 0 we have to count till 2. So after 0, 1, 2. How many fingers are there? 1, 2. So the answer is 2. Now next sum. Here the smaller number is 4 and we have to count till 5. So 4 in our head. After 4, 5. How many fingers are there? Only one finger. So the answer is 1. Here the smaller number is 2. So we'll keep 2 in our head. After 2, we have to count till 8. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 fingers. So answer is 6. Here both the numbers are same. So the answer will be 0. Next sum. Here the smaller number is 1 and we have to count till 5. So we'll keep 1 in our head. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. Here the smaller number is 2 and we have to count till 7. So we'll keep 2 in our head. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5.